Okay, so everything connected and tested, so let's go to the camera's web interface to do the configuration. This camera is being powered by a PoE via an embedded NVR, simulating a real-life scenario. But you can have different setups like powered by a PoE switch or auxiliary power supply. This NVR that I'm using, the camera interface is not visible to the NVR's external network, so you need to confirm if your NVR has the same limitation. Some models allow us to remotely open the camera's web interface after enabling a forwarding option. Some models will only allow this access if you connect your computer in one of the internal PoE ports. Okay, in the camera web interface, we will configure three things. First is the input and output mode. Second, smart motion detection analytic. Third, event schedule. So the way to set these elements may vary depending on the camera's manufacturer that you are using. In the camera web interface, go to Setup, Alarm, Event. Enable the alarm input. Give the name Motion Sensor. For this camera model, the normally closed option is the current mode low. Enable the output channel 1. In the alarm output settings, give the name Siren. For normally open mode, set the current signal to grounded. Click Save to apply. To set the Smart Motion Detection, go to the Video Analytic and Smart Motion Detection. In the settings, click in Enable. Click in Limit Target Type, set the type to Person or Human. Enable the output channel 1 and set the detection area. Click Save to apply. Depending on your project, you may want to enable this logic only in a specific period of time, like after hours. To configure this option, go to Alarm and Event, and in the alarm input, go to the Schedule section. Click in the unarmed color and select the work hours. This selection will disable this logic in this specific time. Click Save to apply. And we can do the same logic for the video analytic trigger. Go into the Video Analytics, Smart Motion, and under the Schedule section, click in the unarmed color and select the work hours.